Welcome to A1 Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the farm paella. The ingredients for the farm paella of today are paella rice, onion and garlic, bacon, serrano ham, chopped tomatoes, red beans, and our ham stock. Let's start making this farm paella. Let's start by cooking the bacon. So it's a full piece of bacon that was cut in small pieces. Let's add the onion and the garlic. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Let's add our diced ham. Grams of paella rice that I'm opening up at this moment. La Paella Special Paella Rice, 300 grams because we're making 3 portions. Something like that. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. And let's mix up our ingredients all together. Sometimes we can use saffron threads infusion into the paella instead of using it directly. What's the advantage? The advantage is you can use your paella stock, you warm it up a bit, don't boil it, just warm it up and throw the saffron threads into it and then use it in like 20 minutes to make your paella. So that's a nice trick. Let's add 900 milliliters of ham stock. At the same time, bring your paella burner to the maximum level. A little envelope of pure saffron, something like that. Half an envelope that we have remainder of our previous paella of paella mix, and half a teaspoon of paprika, something like that. At A1paella.eu we have all the equipment that you need to create a fantastic paella. Paella pans, paella burners, stock, rice, etc. So, what are you waiting for? Come visit us at A1paella.eu. Okay, another little shake to distribute all those ingredients. Okay, let's add a bit of salt. Okay, let's reduce our paella burner power down to 50%, something like that. Let's add our red beans. And let's add the remainder of our paella stock. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. That rice is around 50%, so we have a bit to go. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay, that rice is around 70%, so we have a bit to go. Let's reduce our paella burner power down to 30%. As such, all the way until the end of the paella. I'm gonna turn off the paella as we speak. Looks about ready. Let's give it the last shake. Last bit, not much. Okay guys, there you have it, our farm paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. It's time to serve our farm paella. Bacon, serrano ham, red beans, all that. There you have it, a proper plate of farm paella. This is Jay signing off. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.